Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to hide avatar on Emo. Also I wonder why you want to know how to hide avatar on Emo. It is because you want to hide your avatar on Emo because any random person who has saved your number they could see your avatar. So you don't want that. You want to secure your account and your personal stuff. Therefore you're looking for it. Or maybe there's any other reason for you, so whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First you have to make sure that you have already installed the Emo app from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. After that just simply tap on the icon of the app to open the Emo. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Emo app looks. We have options all over the screen, at the bottom, at the top, and everywhere. So for that, what we have to do is we just have to simply click on our profile picture, which is on the top left side of the screen. So just simply tap on it to get into it. From all these options, what we have to do is we just have to simply click on the settings, which is the third setting on this page. So just simply click on settings. It also has its icon, which is a setting icon. After that you will land into the setting page. There you could see a lot of different options. Every option is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs. So from all these options, what we have to do is we just have to simply click on this option, which is privacy, which is the second and third option. Just simply click on it and we will get into the security and privacy section of our Emo account. Here we have this option which says profile privacy. Just simply click on it and there we will get into the privacy section of our profile. Here all the options are related to the privacy of profile through which we can secure our account. Here we have this option which says avatar, and right now it is set on everyone. That means any person who has saved your number and is on Emo, they could see your avatar. It is not matter that if you have saved their number or not. For example, if someone has got your contact number from somehow and they saved it in their contact list, so they could see your profile picture. But if you click on my contacts, then only those people who are in your contact list and those who are on Emo, they could only see it. And if you select the third option, then nobody can see your profile picture. It will be completely hidden from any person. You will be the only person who could see it. So you can choose any one of these options according to your preferences or whatever you want to do. There's no limitation to it. It's all up to you. You can choose any one of these options and your profile picture visibility will be set according to that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the privacy of your avatar on Emo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.